30 minutes later, then we may be done. Okay, here this tree. Here I'm going to use this one to making a necklace. I cut it in 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Okay. It's here. Yeah, this is not a new design. Just to share with you that the beads here not only making the bracelet, not only make the ring, we can use the same beads make the necklace. Okay, so here I love this necklace because of the shape. Here we will use the wire 0.3. 0.3. Here. Cut. Cube is 2 millimeter. Sienna blue, 2 millimeter. And here we make a necklace with the chain. Okay. First, we will start it at here. Go slow. Don't forget the beads. Okay. Here. This one. Go slow it. And then one more time. Here, come. Come the beads. And go slow. Oh, friends, here that on this weekend we will have 3 days off for the Jargon Festival. Yeah, we will have 3 days off for Jargon Festival from weekend and Monday. So we will be 3 days off for our office for the Jargon Festival. And this is one short wire. We will be go slow back here. Okay, go slow back. Tomorrow I will go live. Yeah, Rina, happy to see you. Go wrap it. Here and the tight. Okay. And go slow. Here we put 2 piece beads. Then the next I'm going to fold and the 2 piece beads. Go string it. Okay. Go wrapper. Here. Then again. Here. 3 piece beads. Yeah, this design is very easy making, just like the wave. You use your thread to make. Here, tight, and go slow. 4 piece. Here with 3, then with 4. 4 piece. One, 2, 3, 4. Four-piece beads. Here. Here 5, then the last we go with 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's here. Then the wire we need to go back to lock it. So we'll just see if it can go through the beads successful. Okay, we're lucky. Okay, when go back into the piece of the wire, then it here will be stronger. So don't worry about the wire will be loose. Okay, then we are cut. Here, the bottom we can use 2 pieces of the beads dingle. Okay, we put 2-piece beads dingle.这些我应该都没标价的。0.4 or 0.6. Here we use 0.6. Okay. Here. Tight. Here, beads here. Rubber. Fold. Lapid with pearl always nice. Here. Tight. Here. Then cut. Here. Then we use a extender chain at the end. Yes. Here. Here. Okay, this one we see it wear it on the model.